Hi guys, today I'm at Lancaster Gate, which is a community in Fredericksburg, Virginia. This community features some older homes as well as some newer homes. And this community is very close to Massaponax, the Cosmo Corner area, which has lots of shops and restaurants. This community also is close to Spotsylvania County schools. So this is a great school system for your children. And also you're close to various places of employment. So if you're looking for a job, this could be a great move for you. Most of the homes in this community run around the $300,000 range. And as you can see, it's a very nice community. There's a lot of homes here to choose from. I think you will enjoy living in this area. Some homes are single story as well as two story. And there's many cul-de-sacs. There's also on-street parking. And most homes here have long driveways, so there's plenty of off-street parking as well. And some homes also feature garages. Yeah, I think this is a great community for you and your loved ones. Also, as I came in, I noticed that the community had a playground for children. So if you have little ones and you don't have much space in your backyard, or would just like to get out of your home and take your kids for a walk or a drive to the playground, you can do that as well. And there's lots of routes that you can take in here. I mean, this community is large. It's really big, and lots of homes were built around the year 2002. And there's a lot of through traffic. So like I said, there's a lot of homes in this neighborhood. So, you know, there's neighbors all over. So if you like people, this is an ideal community for you. What I love about this community is its close proximity to the shops and restaurants. Like I was saying before, there's an abundance of things to do. If you like Super Target, the Super Target's no more than 10-15 minutes away from here. If you like pizza, there's a nice pizza place not too far either, as well as a few fast food places. If you get tired of cooking at home, you can always drive, 10-15 minutes away, and there's abundance of fast food places or restaurants that you can eat at. Like I said, there's a lot of different homes in this community. Some of them are tri-level, some are two-story, some are single level living. So if you're an empty nester and you decide that you want everything on the first floor, now that the kids are out of the house, and you may not want to climb steps anymore, this is a wonderful community to look for a single level home. And if you'd like to find a home in this area, feel free to reach out to me to be connected to a top-notch, knowledgeable realtor that can help you with the home search. I do a lot of referrals to realtors anywhere in the world, all over. So if you're looking here in Virginia or in Alabama or Kansas or North or South Carolina, it doesn't matter, even England. Anywhere you're looking for a home, I can assist you with a no-cost referral to a realtor anywhere. And I'd love to work with you. And I have a lot of clients who are empty nesters and would love to move to a single level home. So even if you're a first-time home buyer, doesn't matter what stage you are in life. I'm available to assist, and I'd love to work with you. I'd also like to let you know about working with our mortgage lender, Prosperity Mortgage. Now that the market is improving, rates are starting to cool down, and so now's a great time to look for a home. So I'd love to help you find your dream home. And I'd love to make that connection. So reach out to me anytime. My email is t.refers.me@gmail.com. Send me an email and let me know the details of your home search, your contact information first and foremost, and then the details of your home search to include number of bedrooms, baths, other amenities you're looking for, such as garage, or a rec room or a basement or anything of that nature. And I will be happy to set you up with a realtor who can help you find that. And like I said, referrals are at no cost to you. So it costs nothing for you to work with me. And you don't have to worry about trying to find a realtor on your own who may or may not work out and having to start all over again or anything like that, because I handle everything for you. So you can focus on other things in your life. All of us lead busy lives and have busy schedules day in and day out. So leave the searching for a realtor to me. They'll call you right away and you can get started. Once we have all the details about, your pre-approval, let me know if you need to get pre-approved. You don't have to be pre-approved. If you need to get pre-approved, I'm working with a lending company, Prosperity Mortgage, who can help you get pre-approved. Or if you're already pre-approved, that's also great, because then we already know from the start, how much you qualify for. Now, up ahead on the right, this home is beautiful. Beautiful homes are all over this neighborhood. It's very quiet here too. Very quiet here, which is a plus. Yeah, this time of year, some neighbors have out their Halloween decorations, and that's always great to see. Everyone's decorating taste. And now we're headed back towards the front of the subdivision. Now, I'm not sure of the HOA here. I'll have to look into that. So if you are interested in this community, please let me know. Send me an email and I will get the details about the HOA cost and let you know. Now, up ahead on the right is the playground. And now we're approaching the front of the subdivision. And they also have a soccer field over here as well. So if you like soccer, there is a field here for you to play. And also picnic tables for you to sit and eat or just hang out. And now we're back at the front of the subdivision.